One day, my students sat me down and ordered me to write this book. They wanted people to be able to use our work to make their lives better. My work is part of a tradition in psychology that shows the power of people's beliefs that strongly affect what we want and whether we succeed. You'll learn how a simple belief about yourself guides a large part of your life. Much of what you think of as your personality actually grows out of this mindset. You'll suddenly understand the greats in sciences, arts, sports, and business. You'll understand your family, friends, and colleagues. I've filled this work with research findings and real stories, so you can see these mindsets in action and apply them to your own life. You'll see how to unleash your potential and your children's. My work has been about growth, and it is my wish that it will foster your growth too. It is my privilege to share these findings with you. Discover the mindset that can change everything.